So today I thought it was a good idea to challenge myself to make a robot in under 12 hours in Tinkercad. And since I can't let an idea stay as an idea, I guess here we go. I haven't gone here in a while. Yeah, it'll be good. Okay. Ah, shit. Gotta load the filament. Going pretty good. Very low poly circle. Okay, we'll go check on that in a little bit. What is this? I'm kind of scared. It just got done. I mean, it printed great everywhere except for right here. I'm not exactly sure what happened. I also put it at a really weird angle, so if I just print it normally, then I think it should be fine. Let's see. Let's try and put the servo in there. I'm gonna try and just through there. It might fit. It does. Only problem is these and the little cord. But I think I can fix that. I don't think it'll be too hard. Oh yeah, and the bearing does fit. So I added a few things to this. I made it a little bit thicker. I also added these stiffening like bars on the top. I also added a second hole for the servo.
Sounds drive. Sounds drive. Sounds drive.
This challenge has taught me one thing. No, I cannot make a robotic arm in less than 12 hours in Tinkercad. I mean, it works sort of. But when I tested it off camera, it kind of just ripped itself apart. So I'm not even going to show the tests. If you want me to show the tests, or if you want me to release the files for some reason on, I don't know, Maker or something, I will. But that's about it. I guess this video is just proving that I am not that good of an engineer. All I feel like, considering it was Tinkercad, and I had like 2 iterations, and this is the only one that I actually fully assembled, I think it's pretty good. I think if I could redesign it one more time, I could get it right. But yeah, that's all I'm going to say about it.